simplifies the process of creating surveys, collecting feedback, or conducting quizzes. Responses from forms can be automatically sent to Google Sheets for analysis, saving time and effort. For businesses and educational institutions, the Admin Console provides centralized management of all Google Workspace tools. It allows administrators to add or remove users, reset passwords, and manage groups. Set permissions and access levels for each user or department and monitor account activity. Google Workspace excels in tools that support communication and workflow. Comments and suggestions in docs, sheets, and slides enable easy feedback exchange. Data encryption keeps files secure both in transit and at rest. Admins can set access permissions, manage device policies, and require multi-factor authentication. Google Workspace is specifically designed to support remote and hybrid work environments. Files can be shared with specific permissions to control who can access or modify content. For those seeking to optimize their Google Workspace experience, there are several advanced capabilities. Google Workspace stands out as a versatile, secure, and highly collaborative environment.